Do you know leasing an aircraft involves detailed procedures and processes governed by DGCA? Today, let's explore the key steps involved in applying for aircraft lease approval. The first step is submitting an formal writing application to DGCA, which further includes detailed descriptions of the party involved in the lease agreement. This also includes who is responsible for operational control and continuing airworthiness of the aircraft during the lease period. Key details must be provided such as marker, model and series number of the aircraft. For lease-in agreements, operator must include the following informations: the aircraft's state of registry, registration mark, name of the registered owner, a copy of aircraft certificate of airworthiness, and the proof of any approved maintenance program from the Foreign Aviation Authority, which is required to ensure the aircraft meets safety standards. The application must specify the type of lease, whether it's wet, damp, or dry, as well as during the lease and whether the aircraft's registration will change while lease operation is carried out. Operators must also submit the lease agreement or its provisions, highlighting the arrangements for continuing airworthiness during the lease period. This also includes maintenance standards, incident reporting, and while ensuring qualified personnel handling the aircraft. Arrangements to address any operational matters during the lease period. Finally, any necessary changes to the operator's air operator certificate or operator's specifications must be documented along with the planned area of operations for the aircraft. With these steps complete, the DGCA ensure that the aircraft lease complies with the airworthiness and operational requirements, helping operators safely lease the aircraft and maintain regulatory standards. For more further information, visit the official website of DGCA. And to find more aviation and aerospace content, don't forget to follow InnovaWorld.